Well, hello and welcome to Business 360. I'm Ashmit Kumar, and here are the headlines we're tracking this evening. Stock markets stumble for the first time in 2023. Sensex loses over 600 points. Nifty declines by 1%. Metals and reality stocks lead the fall.
Many challenges right now around the world. In fact, India is probably the exception.
India is the exception in a challenging global environment, says Satya Nadella, even as he remains cautious in the short term, expects pockets of growth to emerge even if economies go through a recession, and remains bullish on the long term. That's an exclusive. Nadella expects the next 2 years to be challenging for tech companies after the pandemic-fueled growth, admits that Microsoft is not immune, and that says that tech sector must look inwards to boost efficiency to remain competitive. The Union Cabinet approves an initial outlay of close to 20,000 crore rupees in its green hydrogen mission, targets investments worth 8 lakh crore rupees and hydrogen production capacity of 5 million metric tons by 2030. The mission aims to give incentives worth 17,000 crore rupees for electrolyzer and green hydrogen manufacturing. Setback for Google. The company appellate tribunal refuses to say the 1,337 crore rupee penalty imposed by CCI on the tech giant. Says economics can't be allowed to run astray, orders the company to pay 10% of the amount. Google hints at moving the Supreme Court to challenge the NCLAT order. 30 employee unions belonging to 3 Maharashtra government-owned power discoms begin a 72-hour strike protest against parallel licenses to private players. There are reports of power supply disruptions in 9 districts, including Nagpur, rural Pune and Wardha. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX, pleads not guilty to fraud charges. 2 of his colleagues have already pleaded guilty and are cooperating with investigators. Higher household expenditures, lesser spend on health and more savings. That's the sentiments among consumers as we enter 2023, according to the Axis My India's Consumer Sentiment Index for January. Well, let's begin with the day's market action now.